Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gboard in the app where you want stickers. Tap the emoji key and choose a base emoji. Faces work best. Once selected, hold and watch for suggested mashups above the keyboard. Those are emoji kitchen combinations. Make sure your Gboard app is updated and keyboard settings allow sticker recommendations. If you're in a different language layout, switch to Emoji View so you can access the sticker row quickly and proceed to create mashups. Now you're combining emojis. Tap a suggested mashup to add it to your message or save it. Once done, swipe the sticker suggestion row to reveal more variations and alternative pairings. This is where creativity multiplies. If you want a different expression, pick a new base emoji and repeat. Emoji Kitchen generates fresh combinations automatically. Make sure to experiment with object plus face pairings, because mixing categories often yields the most expressive and useful stickers for conversations. Finish by tapping a sticker to send it directly, or long press to copy and paste into another app. If your target app won't accept stickers, use the Share or Image button to paste as an image instead. Once you're done, you can save favorites to reuse quickly. If Emoji Kitchen options aren't appearing, update Gboard, clear its cache, or opt into the Gboard beta for the latest sticker packs. This fixes most availability issues and keeps stickers working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.